Once upon a time, there was a young princess who lived in a beautiful palace surrounded by a large garden full of flowers and tall trees. Every day, the princess loved to play in the garden, running happily and singing with joy. One day, while she was playing near some old, thick trees, she noticed something strange. The trees slowly began to move, opening a secret path between them. The princess stopped in surprise and walked closer with curious steps. Suddenly, a magical world appeared before her. She saw strange and colorful birds with colors she had never seen before: bright blue, flower red, and sunny yellow. The birds could talk and sing beautiful magical songs, and their wings sparkled like stars. The princess soon discovered that the birds had their own special world. There were tiny homes on the branches, glowing lakes, and gardens where flowers floated in the air. The birds welcomed the princess because she was kind and loved nature. She spent a wonderful time with them, learning the meaning of friendship, kindness, and caring for the world around her. Before she left, she promised to protect the garden and keep their secret safe. When it was time to return, the trees gently closed the path as if nothing had happened. But the princess knew in her heart that the world of the birds would always be there, waiting for her whenever she returned to the garden.